3 safety items your teen should have in their car. Driving can be an exhilarating experience for teens, but it also comes with responsibilities. Ensuring your teen is prepared for any situation on the road can bring peace of mind to both you and them. Having safety items in the car can make a significant difference in their ability to handle emergencies. Here are top 3 safety items your teen should have in their car to ensure they're ready for any situation. Emergency roadside kit. An emergency roadside kit is essential for any driver. For teens, it can be a lifesaver in various situations. This kit typically includes jumper cables, a flashlight, and reflective warning triangles. These tools help your teen handle minor roadside emergencies. Teaching your teen how to use these items can boost their confidence and ensure they're ready for unexpected events. First aid supplies and EMS kit. Accidents can happen at any time. Having a well-stocked first aid kit in the car is crucial for addressing minor injuries. A basic first aid kit includes Band-Aids, antiseptic wipes, and adhesive tape. These items can help treat cuts and scrapes. An EMS kit is invaluable for more serious medical situations. It contains advanced medical supplies like a tourniquet, hemostatic gauze, and CPR mask. These items can make a difference in life-threatening situations. Equipping your teen with an EMS kit means they can assist themselves or others if needed. Providing training on using these supplies enhances their ability to respond effectively. Portable phone charger. Staying connected is vital in emergencies. A portable phone charger ensures your teen can always contact you or emergency services. It can be a lifesaver if their phone dies while they're on the road. Always keeping a charger in the car prevents communication issues during critical moments. A charged phone offers access to GPS, weather updates, and emergency contacts. Encouraging your teen to keep their phone charged contributes to their safety. Though most teens are excited to get their driver's license, very few are prepared to handle accidents on the road. Every teen should have these safety items in their car to ensure they're ready for any situation.